In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install Python. First, we need to download Python. For that, open the browser, type download Python. Then select the website python.org. If you want to directly download the Python, we can directly go to www.python.org. Then we can click download. Here we can find the Windows edition. Then press the download button. The Python downloading is started. Python download is finished. From the download window itself, we can start to install the application, or we can open the file location and we can install. Here I am opening the installation file from download itself. Now the Python installation file has been opened. Here we need to select the checkbox, add Python exe to path. Then click the install now. If you want to customize the installation, we can do the customize installation. If we don't want all the packages, we can remove customize installation option. Now I am pressing install now. Confirm the user access control. Now the Python installation has been started. For avoiding the video lagging, I am doing the fast forwarding in videos. We have successfully installed the Python. Now we are getting an option to disable path length limit. We need to disable the path length limit. I am pressing that one, allowing the access control. The installation has been finished. Now our installation of Python has been completed. If you want to verify, we can check the Python package is also installed. We can verify the Python modules as well as. Python installation has been completed. If you want to uninstall the Python, we can go to run command and then type appwiz.cpl. It is the easy accessing window for uninstalling the program file. Then select the Python and uninstall. 2 packages of Python will be installed over there. We need to uninstall both of them. Now we have uninstalled Python completely. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please press the like button, share and subscribe.